Guys, and we're back on my vlog. This is part 2.
Hello,
and look at
this is part 2. This is the bar. This is where they own.
They building
the office.
Are they building cars?
Ooh, I would love one of those.
Because it say Buick in
The antique typewriter, yeah.
that's a type old
Look,
type.
the key to everything's held down. That's for me.
Oh,
Wait,
what was they doing?
if you didn't know, my mom's name is spelled with the L. So yeah.
Buick and Ford.
Says pilot, mission, AC.
So were they building cars?
It might have been.
Might have been.
Or cars they issue to, different.
Okay, so
Oh my gosh, look at this.
oh whoa. I know it was a drop. What is that? What's
Oh,
he?
bombardier. Oh.
Oh, look at that.
He dropped the bomb. He's the navigator.
This is okay. They can't see anything
Little
on my
man in
screen.
here, because you can't get no big man up there.
Look at my screen. So that's that. Here's the bomber right there. Excuse me.
It's just the radio operator.
Here's like the operation center.
Then you have his hands on the controls.
It's a cabin. Look at the radio. I was like, yes, so.
Missiles right there.
I tell you, they don't give them much money. You know, mechanical stuff.
Yeah, you can have like a mansion up there.
So much stuff. They have like the gunners, and all the other stuff like that. So hey boy, this is my cousin. And then here's the Japanese people. My dad said they were suicide.
The enemy.
Suicide what? Yeah. Japanese stop. Japanese people they're suicide airplaners. They like dedicate their life to their country. And so yeah. Oh, here's some knives.
Chinese.
That's Chinese.
Oh, I thought they were real force aircraft briefing room.
Yeah.
Right stuff on the board.
Yeah.
Oh, look at his face.
Shock.
He got hot sauce in his swag, baby.
Yeah. Dang.
Oh, snap. I thought you looked at me.
If one of them people looked at me, I would have ran
I
so.
would have ran too.
I would have ran so fast. Whoa.
Fire hose connect.
This,
Looks so awesome.
yeah, that does look a little. That does look awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys,
Are we all getting Yeah.
all of us.
You out of town now.
Yeah, let's few at a time. Gotta go up the elevator.
Go on, Jimmy. Go ahead.
Let's go. We're about to go. About to go up the
In the elevator?
Oh, sorry.
Come on, Sheree.
What floor we going to?
Yeah.
Oh. You be laying right there till your mama come up where she is.
Yeah.
You be laying right there.
That's cousin. Cousin Sheree.
Right up here.
That was my cousin, and now we're on the second floor. And look at that. What in the world? Oh. Dang.
Oh, this thing is talking.
Hey, that's pretty cool. What I say? God is my what? Oh, we're gonna go watch a movie.
God is my co-pilot.
I like it.
Ooh, we're about to go watch an old school movie. Look at that and look at that.
God is my co-pilot.
God is my co-pilot. Actually, God is my pilot. He's not my co-pilot. He's my pilot.
Let him take the wheel, Nicholas. I don't blame you. Let him take the wheel.
He's not even the co-pilot. He's the pilot.
There you go. He's the pilot of my dreams.
There's like a old school
Look, a shark cat playing the
video player.
Yeah, I saw it.
Well, I gotta go there and I'll take a picture for you. Go be right there.
Oh, can you take a picture of me too?
Guys, I'm about to go up here. I don't know if it's all you know.
Nigga, does your phone need a flash? It's looking at me though, Nicholas.
I'll tell you.
Turn it around and I'll see. Hey guys, just gonna take a picture. Hey guys, we're up on top of here. It's like
What is this? What is this
it's
about?
like the Great Wall. It's a
Oh, the Great Wall of China?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even see this back here. This is beautiful.
No, Sherry.
I hope you guys get a good view of this. 'Cause
Yeah.
This is awesome.
It's like a painting. It had to take days to paint this.
Go down the stairs.
And it's just like a decoy of the Great Wall of China. So yeah.
I know what that says.
What?
If anybody out there can read that, tell me what it says.
Yeah, if you're Japanese watching
Or
this,
Chinese.
Japanese or Chinese, whichever one it
Or
is.
any, you know.
If you can read, just if you can read this, tell us
Well,
in
it's
the.
backwards on the thing.
Oh yeah. What? We saw it.
Oh, it says.
Oh.
It says it right here.
Oh, it says the language under here.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Oop.
Sometimes
two characters are required for one meaning. For example, the word friend. The first is a moon and his companion. The second is the left hand pointing to the right hand. Okay, that's a little deep for me. So,
Yeah. It's I didn't get it, but
Mine went
okay,
off.
it's deep. My thing doesn't go off. It's the old school movie theater.
sorry, it went off. It cut off.
Oh yeah, look at that movie. Yeah.
Some quality movie right here.
Yep.
Everybody ain't with us though. When we watch Fleet Crew and Vanessa and Shirley.
Now I'm about to oh, you guys can't see me, but if you can hear me, now I'm about to do a video that's just seeing the exhibits and all of that. We're gonna walk back through it and all that. So yeah. See you guys. Bye.